Hey boys, it's me, Aiden Rusted Musket here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple name input script in Basic256. I'm pretty sure you haven't heard of this, but I'm sure some of you are trying out Basic for the first time, so I just thought I'd give you an idea on what to do. Now, I'm not going to leave the script in the description because this is literally a 2-line script, so I'll just get into it. First of all, you want to put in input. What input does is exactly what you think it does. It'll let you input something, so if I were to just click run, it would give you a syntax error because there is quite literally nothing there for it to ask. So I'm going to clear that and we're going to give it a question of some sort. So we'll just go. So there we go. If we were to click run again, we are also having a syntax error, and I'll explain why. See, we have to put a comma here, and then we need to put in a variable. Now, you can name this anything, let's put in name. Now, this still isn't finished, I will just say that now. Now, what name does is that this variable will be used as a reference on line 2. So for the time being, I will just quickly go and put this in if you want to read this. There you go. Now in line 2, we have to put in, all you have to do is put in print, and then the name of the variable. Now, you could say that's done, but I'll show you what that does. We'll put in what's your name, and if we just go in, you know, with like my name, it just repeats it. So what we can do is go here, and we can go hello, and then what you want to do is you want to then put in a semicolon and then put in the variable. Now, you have to do this anytime you're gonna, you know, have like a sentence here and then whatever the variable is equal to. Another example of this, if I just go new, I can go y equals 42. Actually, you know, I'll go with 49. And then we can go print 7 times 7 equals, and then we could just go this, semicolon, and y. So if I were to run this, I'll just clear that, if I were to run this, it would say that. Now, this isn't exactly the best example for it, but, you know, it's just an idea of what you can do. Yeah, I'll discard the change set. So anyway, if we run this now, we can go, and there we go. So that's all you had to do. Yeah, that's about it. Have fun with whatever you're going to use it for, but yeah.